Okay, guys, so I'm off to a great start to the new year. POL is what I made money on today, and if you look at it on the 5-minute, just a straight shot up. You have the buy signal here in green. Orange is, as long as it's orange, you can hold it and look for a sell signal. And now it turned light blue, so now it's still an uptrend, but it's slowing down. But that would be your first. Now you're also looking at the volume, and you got selling here, right? And now you get this pink sell signal here. Doesn't confirm with this pink candle. But yeah, you just made depending on where you got in, if you held this whole thing, just basically doubled in price. But this didn't pop up on my scanners until right as soon as I popped up, I just got in for a small scalp. And then in here on the 1 minute, I got a bad fill, took too much size, way too much size, and was very blessed and fortunate that this thing opened up the way that it did, and I scaled out right away. Actually was going to I had an order to close it out here. But I just wanted to get out with that much size and clear my head. And then I put another order in here as it broke the high and scaled out. So then I tried one more time here. I was going to try as a small runner position. Right, so this was too much size too. What did I have here? No, that's not too bad. So then it ran up. I was thinking okay, I'll do smaller size. I'll give it some room if it runs up and goes back to the highs, but it didn't. In hindsight, I probably should have took the $300-400 that it was giving me. But since I had such a big move on this today, I was willing to give it a little bit more room. But yeah, I came back right down to VWAP and then was heading up. But yeah, you look at the daily chart. That's really what I look at is the daily. Let me just hide this. So it just had this big move here where it was up 617% in one day, and then held this anchored VWAP here. Broke out of this range. So this is something that I had coming into today. I was aware of it, right? So that when it came up on the scanners, out of nowhere, it wasn't like I hadn't seen it before.